catching the transition.
Not for sure what we got on, but it's something good. Seen it yet, Chris?
No, I haven't. I would assume it's a walleye from the two laying on the ice here, but
Yeah. A couple nice fish there, maybe a 21 and an 18.
but the way it's fighting, I'm guessing maybe it's
Might be a carp.
carp or a big northern maybe.
Or a 30-incher. Ooh. What pound test you got on?
6 pound.
6 pound mono.
Berkeley Sensithin, actually.
Berkeley what?
Sensithin.
Sensithin? It's a huge fish, whatever it is.
She's heavy.
Do you think it weighs more than 6 pounds?
I'm guessing, yeah. Just want to see it.
Getting close.
Was.
He's seen the light.
Hear us talking. This 2 inches of ice we got here.
Very much ice. Don't let him pull you through the ice.
No kidding. We'll be respooling tonight, though.
What kind of ice cleats you got there?
These are Catulas.
Catula.
They are. Can't really find them around in the stores yet, but they should be. They're the best ones I've ever had on.
When we got here this morning, it was solid ice, and then it just poured down snow today, and probably got 3 or 4 inches, 3 inches at least since we've been here.
It wasn't a very smooth move.
Oh, water.
Close. Put some water.
Boiling in the hole. Oh, I seen a flash underneath the ice. Oh, big old carp. Dang it. That's alright, still fun. That's what it's all about, man, enjoying the fight.
About getting my spoon back.
Look at that. Oh, that's big. About what? Getting your spoon back?
Yeah.
What do you use it? Frosty?
Yeah, Frosty, that golden pink.
Golden pink Frosty?
And I couldn't get any more.
Let's see how big this thing really is. Getting back up by the ice.
3 pounds, probably.
What's that?
Probably 20 pounds. Before then, I guess it's probably the same one. You wouldn't think these carp were that active that they'd be eating it. They've been taking these spoons. Come on, buddy. You weren't so busy filming and maybe helping.
I don't know if it was quite as big as one you had on, but he was a big one. Alright, I better help him.